Remember when smart cars were those tiny city runabouts that could practically fit in your pocket? Those days are long gone. The 2025 Smart 5 represents the brand's boldest move yet, a mid-size luxury electric SUV that's bigger than anything Smart has ever built. Measuring 185.2 inches long, with a substantial 114.2-inch wheelbase, the 5 is firmly in Tesla Model Y territory. But while it may have grown in size, Smart hasn't forgotten about style. Mercedes-Benz's design team has created a sophisticated crossover with a distinctive 4-hole front fascia, flowing lines, and a tech-forward interior dominated by a 13-inch dual OLED display. The real story here is what's underneath. Built on an 800-volt architecture, the Smart 5 offers impressive specs across its lineup. The range-topping BRABUS performance variant combines a 165 kilowatts front motor with a 310 kilowatts rear motor for serious performance potential. Even the base rear-drive model packs a punch with 250 kilowatts on tap. Battery options include 76 and 100 kilowatt-hour packs, delivering range estimates between 354 and 460 miles. Charging speed is equally impressive. The 800-volt system can juice up from 10 to 80% in just 15 minutes. Inside, the Smart 5 pampers occupants with zero-gravity seats and advanced tech, including Smart Pilot Assist 3.0 with Urban NOAA capability powered by NVIDIA's Orin chip and LiDAR. ByteDance's Dolby AI large model makes its production car debut here. Available in various trims with wheel sizes ranging from 18 to 21 inches, the 2025 Smart 5 is clearly aimed at premium EV buyers. While pricing hasn't been announced, expected to compete with established luxury electric SUVs when it launches in late 2024. One thing's certain, this isn't your grandmother's smart car. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.